This video is to now give you guys more updates relating to special protection, that any questioner who have to tell you that you cannot convert that particular document, you have to involve or contact your lawyer immediately. And listen to the article of special protection where these laws have been stated. I just have to go straight to the point. I first given the phrase, the explanation. Now I'm here to still bring out the article of special protection, how they stated the law, and then how the law is to be interpreted. So listen attentively. Update: on May 5th, 2023, the Italian Parliament converted the so-called Decreto Cutro, the immigration decree, approved on March 10th. This law entails major changes to Protezione Speciale, which are explained in this article. Now you guys have to get the explanation of special protection. He said here, the Permesso di Soggiorno per Protezione Speciale was created by the Salvini Decree in 2018. He said some major changes were then made by the Decreto Immigrazione in October 2020 and later by the Decreto Immigrazione of March 11, 2023, which was converted into law on May 5th with some additional edits. So, this special protection, as Salvini bring up, that they call a humanitarian protection, everybody know. Then, as of the time of October 2020, when they now get the new Ministero dell'Interno, which is Luciana Lamorgese, he can modify everything, bring it back to be calling it special protection, where people can get it and then now convert it. Until on the 11th of March, where this new government now came in, tried to now reintroduce the law again, stating that those people who have the special protection, they cannot convert. Now let's go a little bit forward so that you guys will not get to understand. This kind of permesso and protection is for those who do not qualify for refugee status or solidarity protection, that is international protection, but who nevertheless in need of protection. As we all know, if they don't give you asilo politico or that of solidarity protection, the final stage when person is supposed to land and be special protection. So that is the meaning of that particular document. Now listen to this part here. He said, before Cutro decree, the law explicitly stated that this permesso could also be granted to those who might face a branch of their rights to private and family life. He said, if sent back to their home countries. He said, therefore, if you apply for asylum or Protezione Speciale at Questura before March 11, 2023, when the Cutro decree entered into force, you may still receive Protezione Speciale on these grants too. So what did the state for you be say yes? Special protection, that's what we like say they go check if you don't integrate all those kind of stuff. So if you already seek asylum before 11th March 2023, the special protection can still be given to you. For example, those of you who get on a case for court, if judge check and say yes, since all this while you dey work, you don't wait there for the country, don't integrate, don't do one or two things, he go check and say this person, he not just come the country when they pass this law, he already there for the country before the law enter. So that is what they have stated here. If you already seek for asylum before 11 March 2023, the judge can still consider you giving you Protezione Speciale. So get that right. Authority will consider if you have family ties in Italy or you are well integrated into Italy's social life. For example, you have been working or studying here, or you have been living in Italy for a long time, just like what I just explained given just now. And let's go a little bit forward. He said before May 5th, 2023, you could receive permesso per Protezione Speciale through two different procedures: by applying for asylum or direct applying for Protezione Speciale at the Questura. He said, however, now it is no longer possible to apply for Protezione Speciale direct at the Questura, but you may get it only through the asylum application. So man, understand this part. Now, you not go figure me go apply for special protection again. No. You can only get special protection only one way. That is through the process of your application of your asylum. If you get your case for court, you get your case for anywhere at all, where be like say yes, now tribunal and MEB, then special protection can still be issued out to you. That is what they have deliberated on this part. Now let's go a little bit forward. He said, if you still have the 2 years permesso per casi speciale and it will expire soon, you may be granted a permesso per protezione speciale if you are not eligible for a permesso per motivo di lavoro or the commission consider that you are still in need of protection. So those people have like so get casi speciale. I don't explain this thing for my previous video when I call it tell una. When that casi speciale expire, in return, if you not convert them to motivo di lavoro, say you go put them like that, the system you not get any problem. Say yes, they need to renew the document for you. In return, they will not give you protezione speciale and not casi speciale again. So you get that fact. Very, very important. Everybody should listen to this part here. This one I be that one already explained the given. I say Territorial Commission must examine when you apply for special protection. Listen to it. He said, direct application at Questura before May 5th, 2023. He said, for those who were able to apply for protezione speciale direct at Questura before May 5th, 2023, Questura will ask the Commission to provide for a binding opinion. If the opinion of the Commission is positive, Questura will issue you the permit. If the Commission considers that there are elements that qualify you for a higher form of protection, Questura will inform you about the possibility to apply for asylum. So now, as it be, if you apply for special protection, those who apply that time before, not be now again, they go check them for commission. If you qualify, they will give them to you. If the VC say there is a reason for you to get asilo politico, they go still inform the Questura. So that is what they have stated already. Listen to this last part here. He said here, can I convert it into a permesso per motivo di lavoro? Now asking a question whether if you convert them. Listen, now this place, now most of now here. He said, if you apply for asylum after May 5th, 2023 and get protezione speciale permit, you cannot convert it into a work permit. So the law applies to those people who be like say, no need to read all this thing again. Let me just summarize this thing for once. Let me just summarize everything. The law applies to those people who will be arriving in Italy newly. So you might be like say you don't quick you there for Italian territory already before they pass this law. Either you already apply for special protection, they wait for the documents, or your case there for tribunal, you dey wait may your judge answer you, give you any of the documents. Then anytime when they give you the document, provided say you already there for Italy before May 5th or before 11th of March 2023, these 2 dates, because the law come in on the March 11, 2023, then they approve them, put them into Gazzetta Ufficiale on the 5th of May. So those of them like say not already there for Italy, now not get problem say they give you document whether you no go fit convert them. Any question I want to tell you say you no go fit convert them, my brother, I not go tell you any other thing. No, you don't need to shout or do anything. Just contact a very vibrant lawyer. Just call your lawyer. You go let them know say yes. Article 7 will not tell them say they go fit convert the document. You yourself tell them, dire che Article 7 dice che io posso convertire il mio permesso di soggiorno per motivo di lavoro. Basta. Now the only thing where you need to talk with that one. I greet all the fans of Prince TV. Wetin una go do for me? Share my video. I not tell una send me money. Share my video so that it go viral. People go know say yes, Prince TV, they here they operate. I greet all of una.